Then the next part of this is to understand what your employer is expecting from you. As a professional, you are serving your boss, you are catering to the needs of your company and customers as well. So what your employer is expecting from you is really a big part. If you will be in a position to understand that what your employer is expecting from you, then obviously you will be able to fulfill those expectations. And if you are somehow in a position to fulfill those expectations, you know the results. So the first thing which an organization or employer is expecting from you is to organize ideas. Everybody, each one of us is having lots of ideas, full of ideas we are. But are we in a position to organize our ideas so that they may be communicated in a beautiful fashion, in a persuasive manner? So the first thing is organize your ideas. Then the second is, after organizing your ideas, is to express yourself, how to put your things in front of others. Then the third is, natural outcome of this is persuasive arguments. You know what are you trying to communicate, you know how to communicate, and now you also know how to put your things in a persuasive manner. This all needs proper collection and evaluation of data. You will be persuasive if you have adequate facts in hand, you are in a position to quote real data, so collect, evaluate data. This all will depend how well are you in a position to listen to others. If you want to make your idea acceptable by others, then you must be in a position to listen to them, first understand, and then probably they'll be in a better position to understand you. This will happen with one very beautiful reality and understanding, that is diversity. Each one of us are different from each other because of our upbringing, cultural background, thought process, paradigms, and so on. So understand that the people are diverse and they may behave in a different fashion altogether. So listen, understand them. You have already organized your ideas, you know how to communicate and how to put that thing in a persuasive manner. For all this, you need to know the technology. You have to be tech savvy. You should know how to organize your ideas with the help of technology, how to be ready to put your points forward with the technology. This also depends upon high quality writing. Nowadays, we feel that most of the things are being done by the computers, so we don't need to learn that much writing ability, but no, it's not that much correct. Technology will be able to help us up to some extent. We should know how to write effectively. We'll be talking about all such things in the next few chapters as well. Then, a particular message can't be delivered in the same fashion to diverse groups of people. So you have to adapt. You have to change your message. So adapting your message is also one of the things which your employer is expecting from you. Of course, you must know business etiquettes. What are you supposed to do in a particular situation? You have to be ethical. This we have already discussed. Between the two or more choices, you have to understand which one lead to a better expectation fulfillment. You have to maintain the confidentiality of the facts which your organization has shared with you. Similarly, about the information which you got in the course of transaction about your customers. You must know the law of land and regulations so that you may not get caught in something which is not approved by the law. And finally, you must know the time management. Whenever we'll find time, we'll talk about time management also. There is a beautiful time management matrix which may help you to organize yourself as far as time management is concerned.